Hello guys, this is the Mobile. Happy Sunday. This video is about Digimon Rabbit and Shiba AI. So guys, if you are interested in this project, use spare money. Conduct your research before you make a move. You can pray and ask God for direction before you purchase any of these coins I am talking about. So guys, Digimon Rabbit is up 15.12%. I bought this coin for the first time in the month of August. After my purchase, this coin was blasting off. WikiCat was blasting off. BNB Tiger, BNB Lion, and some meme coins were blasting off. So guys, conduct your research before you make a move. So guys, in 30 days, this coin blast off 591%. If you have Coin Market app or CoinGecko, you can search for DRB. When you search for DRB, you click on markets. So guys, you can buy this on Pancake Swap. You can also buy this coin directly on Trust Wallet and on SafePower Wallet. On Trust Wallet and SafePower, you click on swap. You swap BNB to buy DRB. About Digimon Rabbit, the first digital meme coin officially and uniquely authorized by the digital baby. So guys, you can conduct your research to find out more details about Digimon Rabbit. If you click on X, it will take you directly to Digimon Rabbit X account. Liquidity lock announcement. The team will extend the lock time for DRB on June 23rd at 13:00 UTC to stabilize market confidence and will launch a new marketing. The hacker stole everything we had, but we won't go down. We created a new liquidity and locked it on the Pink Sale platform. Some years later, the liquidity will be permanently burnt to the dead address. So guys, this project was hacked by hackers, and you can also confirm if this information on X is legit before you buy this coin. So guys, if you have deck screener, you can search for DRB. If you have deck screener, so guys, this is DRB. When I bought mine, the market cap was lower than 2.0 million US dollars, but right now the market cap is 2.0 million dollars. So money is flowing back into this project. So guys, conduct your research before you make a move. Shiba AI. So guys, when I bought Shiba AI, the market cap was 700,000 US dollars. The market cap blast off to 2 million US dollars, but right now the market cap is 1.5 million US dollars. So guys, money is flowing into this project. The buys are increasing and the liquidity is 151k, which is higher than BNB Tiger right now. So guys, conduct your research before you buy this coin. Shiba AI is a decentralized community driven token that combines the playful spirit of Inu with the real reality, designed to grow through transaction. It rewards holders while supporting charitable causes. So guys, you can check this out. So guys, if you have SafePal, I'm not going to use Trust Wallet. If you have SafePal wallet, you can buy DRB. If you have SafePal wallet. So guys, if you have Trust Wallet, you can buy DRB. So what you do is you search for DRB, you copy the contract address. This is the contract address for DRB. You copy the contract address. You click on swap. You copy the contract address. So guys, you swap BNB to buy this coin. If you want to buy Shiba AI, you would do the same thing. This Shiba AI is taking off 13.72%. In 30 days, Shiba AI blast off 2,304%. So on Coin Market app, you can copy the contract address. In the search page, you paste the contract address. So guys, you swap BNB to buy any of this project. You click on swap, you follow the next step, and you buy. You can buy on Pancake Swap if you want to, but this is faster. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.